Hi, today I'd like to show you and also introduce to Genie Rub Massager. This is a brand new one I just purchased not too long ago. I have been using more fun old model of the Genie Rub. Once you buy, this is lifetime. You can use long time and very helpful every day. Very nice, different from old model. Old model is more heavier and vibration is a little bit more louder. This is very pleasant and nice feeling. When I use vibrate machine, everywhere people complain upper back problem and then low back problem, feet problem or head, neck. But always I start is this area. This is the upper hip and the waist belt line and this large muscle, hip and upper leg. This is the most important when you stress the circulation. When you stress, circulation go down. So go up is this vibrate machine is really helpful. But I use Shiatsu for a few movements. Then where the really tight muscle are, then I have idea where to target. So start using this Genie Rub to more circulation and the gentle circulation, very tiny circulation to start it. That's a help for the reduce stress muscle tightness element, lactic acid. All right, so I put on here to turn. This is a little high medium speed, and this is tailbone area, and a few times upper hip, I hold two hands and the light pressure and the very thick foam is very comfortable to their body. And I will high a little bit more speed. Then gradually going down to leg. Always Achilles tendon area is fatigue build up, and the heel is very important to give a good circulation. And just light on behind the knee. And if sometimes people are waiting for hip surgery, hip replacement, and always pain right here. So I use the edge and a little bit lower. If they have a left side leg problem, hip problem, then I do the left side. All right, then I'm going up to the low back, middle back. I think a little lighter. And the upper shoulder. All right, then this side. So horizon, vertical, and turn a little bit higher. And a little bit higher this area to end. Okay, this is the vibrate machine, Genie Rub Massager. It's great because you don't have to work so hard. Certain circulation come in, then your pressure point. Before the Genie Rub Massager, and also after the Genie Rub Massager, I do Shiatsu, the tsubo point, to pressing to completely loosen up the tsubo. So circulation is a carry way of the waste element of the lactic acid. That's the reason we do to make body able to move. This is a very tight area. This tightness, Lara, she carry heavy item and also the arm work. And right side is more tighter than left side today. So more she build up physical fatigue. Well, I have old story that one farmer, his the rice planting is finished. That so that he noticed upper shoulder is very, very tight. He couldn't even breathe, and he cannot go sleep. So he cannot stand anymore. So he go to the rice field, pick up reach, put onto the shoulder, trapeze muscle area, the very tight area, most tight area he put on, then reach, suck out the blood. It's uncomfortable, but that's the only one way to take off all the blood and then start the circulation. So he did it both sides, but very uncomfortable, must be very painful. So you don't have to do that. This now modern day, you can have this Genie Rub Massager that give you tiny circulation. It's all the circulation. We're trying to help to tighten muscle to move away, carry away. That's the main thing to keep your health and younger. Okay, then this is perfect. She's in very good condition. This is Amma technique, Japanese, different from Shiatsu. Shiatsu is straight down, press down. This is Amma technique, more move around. The hand kind of rhythmical, and then pound. Okay, this is the perfect finish. 1, 2, 3.